Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best rollaway beds for adults currently available on the market, the Foxemart folding bed with memory foam mattress. Whether you need an extra bed for guests or for your own use, this portable solution promises comfort and convenience without compromising on quality. The Foxemart folding bed stands out with its sturdy steel frame and luxurious 5-inch memory foam mattress. It's designed to support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for most adults. The mattress contours to your body, providing excellent pressure point relief for a restful sleep. Let's talk about what makes this bed a standout choice. The high-quality alloy steel frame ensures durability and stability. The 5-inch memory foam mattress is plush yet supportive, ideal for a good night's sleep. When not in use, it folds down to just 12.8 inches thick, allowing you to store it conveniently. Equipped with smooth rolling wheels, it's effortless to move from room to room. The mattress is noted for its comfort and how well it holds up over time. However, a few users have mentioned that the frame might be heavier than expected, which could be a consideration depending on your needs. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and comfortable rollaway bed that won't disappoint, the Foxemart folding bed with memory foam mattress is a fantastic choice. Its combination of sturdy construction, plush memory foam, and easy storage make it perfect for both occasional guests and everyday use. If you're interested in checking out this product further, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.